Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create your website for sustainable fashion retail business easy and quick. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, sign in. Now create new business. Enter your business name. Type any business name you want. For example, and now select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language. Now create business and wait a few seconds to generate this website. Now let's go to the first section on the website, the header section. So here you can edit the header from here. If you want to change your site name, you can change it from here. You can also turn this on and upload the file. You can change the label or add a new label. You can add a link. Here if you want to turn this on and open link in a new page. You can also edit your social links. And also here if you want to add a channel, you can just select the type of the social link, and here you can add the link. So that's it. If you want to edit the style of the section, the positioning or the social icon, the size of the shape, or this, for example, like turn this on and the spacing and the background. So let's save this. If you want to add a section on the website, just click here and select any section you want from here. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the banner section of the website. You can edit from here. Here if you want to change the heading, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you don't like it, you can just click here and it will be changed. The label here, you can change it. You can add external link. You can just turn this on and open link in a new page. Here if you want to edit your style of the section, the spacing or the horizontal alignment, for example like this, or the background, or also here if you want to generate another image, and you can also edit the image position. You can edit the background overlay, and here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's save this. The next section is the image section of the website. You can click edit here if you want to generate another image, and also if you want to edit the image position and the style. Here if you want to turn this on and make it like this, or make it like this, and it is the image. The image fits the aspect ratio, the rounded corners, or the spacing, or the background. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the text section of the website. Edit. Here if you want to generate another text form, just click here. Also if you want to edit the style or the size of the writing, next section is the list section of the website. Edit. Here if you want to change this, and also here you can edit your display settings, the shoes which will be displayed for each list item. You can also edit the list items, and here you can add the list item. Just generate another image. You can edit the image position, and here if you want to generate the title, and you can also generate the content, the type or the size of the writing. You can add a label. Also here if you want to add a link, just select the link here. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. Next section is the testimonial section of the website. Click edit, and here you can add testimonial. You can generate the code, you can generate bio, and also here if you want to upload a file. So let's save this, let's save it. And next section is the gallery section. The gallery section of the website. Click edit, and here you can change this or add a new heading. You can generate another image. Also, if you want to upload image from browser, just search on the browser and put it here, and it will be uploaded. You can choose from library, for example this, or from here from Shutterstock. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section, the location section of the website. You can change it from here. Here if you want to change the hidden, also you can change the business address, and also here you can add additional text files. You can add the title or the content. So that's it. You can edit the contact form. Here if you want to generate another contact form, you can manage files, and also here you can turn this on. And custom input labels, you can generate a form success message. That's it. Here if you want to edit the style of the section, the spacing or the background or the form alignment, for example like this or this. So now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the footer section of the website. You can change the business name. Also here you can add any other relevant details like your business address or any other relevant details. You can edit your social links, and you can add the channel. Just select the type of the social link. Here you can add the link. So also the style, if you want to edit the style of the section, the type or the social icon or the spacing or the background, so like this. Now if you want to regenerate another content or style or entire section, just select any option here you want. If you want to duplicate the section from here, if you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to delete it, just click here and click delete, and it will be removed. So now after you edit and design your website, all you have to do is publish your website here and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.